Hi, this is Mike. This is my custom barcode bikecheck. Start with the heart of the bike, the frame. It's a T1 Turbo 1 Barcode in 21.25. It's been my favorite frame for a while now and finally have one of my own. Just like the iconic look and the seat tube junction and the wishbones. And also the geometry suits me really well. It has like a simple classic geometry. It works good for everything. I ride a lot of mini ramps and bowls, but I also do some nibbling and it works for everything. Moving to the front of the bike, I ride some Saltpus grips. It's a new grip for 2016. It's a simple mushroom style grip with a small flange, really comfortable, really good grips. I ride Odyssey parents. For my handlebar, I ride a Wethepeople 10-inch rise bar that cut down to 28-inch wide. The stem is interesting. It's a new stem I designed for Wethepeople. It's called the Hydra stem. It's available in 3 rises and I ride the tallest one. So this is a 36mm rise, really super tall top-load stem. Really stoked how it came out. I also did my own top cap for the bolt, so it's super flush with the stem. For the headset, I ride on a claw headset with a custom machine top spacer. And for my forks, I run Odyssey R25 forks, a little bit shorter offset to help with the stability at high speed. Moving along to the middle of the bike, first of all I ride a fly bike seat and seat post. It's a tripod system, really like the tripod system. It's super simple to install, it doesn't have any ugly holes on the top of the seat. For my cranks, I run some Odyssey Thunderbolt cranks. I actually have right-hand drive cranks, but I ride them left-hand drive. But to be able to do that, I have to switch my pedal bodies around. And for the pedals, I use the claw/plastic pedal. Super good pedal. I always have a sticker on one of the sides to know which side I grind on and which side is up and have grip. The sprocket is an old sprocket I designed for a company called 42 BMX. We actually have some left and we're selling them through Locomotive, so if you want this sprocket, please comment or contact us. It's available on 28 and 25 tooth. I ride a black 28 tooth version of it. The chain is an Odyssey Bluebird chain. I ride a gold chain. Maybe it's my motocross background, but I always thought that gold chains looked kind of racy and I always liked it, so I always ride that gold chain. As for the wheels, I ride the same setup front and rear. I use Madeira hubs, which are actually the same as profile hubs, but a little bit cheaper and better looking in my opinion. I use ballon head bolts, it's a clean look. I lace my wheels with DT Swiss double-butted spokes into a G-spot bird kit. For the rear cassette, I use a 10-tooth titanium driver and a race axle. I use Demolition Momentum tires, 2.4 in the front and 2.2 in the rear. Really like these tires for tire slides. I also like they're a little bit lighter than most tires these days. I like how the bike reacts with a little bit of lighter tire and wheel. As you can see, I ride some Locomotive stickers on my bars and my forks. Locomotive is a small project I have with 2 friends. It's basically us doing some stickers, maybe something else, so keep an eye out for that in the future. I also run this custom leather badge I did that says BMX reminder, pedal faster, go higher and have fun, and that's what BMX is about for me. Yeah, that's my bike. Hope you like it. If you want to see more videos like this, subscribe to the channel.